Is my screen visible? Listen carefully how to work with your OPP or BPTs or assignments in the virtual machine. So first let me explain briefly the procedure. After that I'll discuss the solutions for BPT 1 and 2. Okay. So all your virtual machine assignments will be there in the folder /OPT/SE2001 if it is for system command students, whereas for the Linux students it will be in CS1102 folder. Okay, so instead of SE2001 you will have your course code. Okay, so we can look at, so in the I am in the my home folder. Okay, so we can see /OPT/SE2001. Okay, so these are the different assignments, BPTs, practice questions present in your virtual machine. Okay, so how the answering each and every one of these is the same. Okay, so today I'll discuss how to answer the BPT questions. So the same procedure you need to apply while answering your OPP, answering your assignments, everything. Okay. First, we need to create a folder in our, see where I am. Clearly you see most of them will make a mistake here. So they are trying to create a folder in this, not in that path. You need to create a folder in your home folder. Okay, in your present working directory. See, this is your my home folder /home/Hemlata, whereas your home folder will be /home/your roll number. Okay, so ensure that you are in the home folder. Here you create a folder called SE2001. If you are a system command students, you create SE2001. If it is a Linux students, you create a CS1102. Okay, so with that you create a folder. So I have already created a folder, so I am going to that. So I am going to the folder. Okay, so here you need to in under your SE2001 you need to create a folder for each of the problem that you are going to solve. Say for example, if we are going to solve BPT1 problem 1, so you have to create a folder similar to your OPT SE2001 folder. So how you have your problem folder with the same name, you need to create a folder here. Okay, see here BPT1 in capital letter underscore problem underscore 1. So the same with the capital letters, small letters, everything it should be same. Okay, so here I have already created a folder called BPT1 underscore problem 1. So go to that folder. Okay, so now here we are going to solve our problem. So to see your problem you need to use Synchro show. Once we created a folder structure, to see the problem we need to use Synchro show command. Synchro show. So then you read out the problem and then try to solve it.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So just an announcement. So just yeah, I'll give one. Like, I'll take 1 minute. Just an announcement.
Okay, sir.
So NPP is released, but I know you are not able to access. So we are working on it. So like today, like maybe tomorrow morning, you'll be able to access. And In the like OPP VM, we are releasing the NPP. So there will be two NPP. So first NPP is released. Second NPP will be released maybe day after tomorrow. And please log into the NPP VM. Don't worry, we'll give access to by tomorrow. So before the OPP, solve all the NPP, and that OPP VM, some VM will be used in the OPP, that whatever the we release in the NPP. Yeah. So that's it.
Oh, sir, just one doubt. What is NPP? Non-proctored.
Yeah.
So
Non-proctor is kind of a mock for OPPs.
oh, everything will be same. Same VM we have to connect during the OPP and same pattern.
Same pattern, not same pattern, maybe different, but
The way of solving it.
So
Yeah.
the thing is yeah, we know there is some issue in the NPP VM. So don't worry, by end of the today or maybe tomorrow morning we'll solve. Yeah. And if you are facing problem, we are conducting the TA will be there. So daily Tuesday to Friday, 9 to 11. So if you are facing any issue during the access or something, if you have any doubt regarding the OPP or any question related doubt, you can join that session. You can check your calendar. We have updated, and that's it.
Exam is on Saturday or Sunday?
Exam in Saturday, right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Any doubt? Okay.
There also we have to make a folder like SC 2001 in the same way.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. And you can use Synchro source, Synchro ML, and all the things.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then. Thanks. Amalata ma'am, you can start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So to see the problem, we use Synchro show so that it will display the problem. So read out the problem and try to solve it. In some of the problems, you may ask to read the commands itself, whereas in somewhere you may ask to create a script. Okay, so wherever you are asked to create a script, so write the commands inside the script with the .sh extension file, and then use Synchro eval to evaluate it. Whereas for the sum of the problems, you require some initial setup. So in that case, you need to use synchro init command. So in which problem you need initial setup, in those problems they will give you the note, and please use synchro init before writing the solution, working on the solution. So for those problems only you use synchro init. Okay, other problems you need not use synchro init.
Well, can I ask a question here?
Yes, sir.
The exam is on this Saturday or next Saturday?
This Saturday, I think.
This Saturday, whoever is clearing, they will not appear in the second time. Those who are not clearing, they will get one more opportunity. This is what I know.
Yes.
And next time is on the next Saturday.
That is correct. For this coming Saturday and next Saturday.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Coming Saturday is one. If you are not clearing, then it is on the 14th.
Yes. But if you clear, then you don't have to write the second Saturday. You don't
Clearing
become
means what? Clearing means
40 marks.
If you get 40 marks in the first OPP itself, you need not write the second OPP.
If I want to improvement, then
minimum you need to solve 2 problems.
No, ma'am. He is asking improvement. Improvement is not allowed. That is
not allowed. Only for the students who failed in the first will have the chance of attending the second.
How many problems will be getting?
5 problems. You need to answer at least 2.
2 out of 5 you have to clear, is it?
At least
Okay.
2.
ma'am, there will be choice any or not?
No choice. You have to answer all the 5 to get the full marks.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So for this problem, so I'm going to give the solutions for the first. So if you practice all the problems which are there in your VM, okay, it will be very easy for you to answer all the questions. Okay, So you try to practice all these, the problems which are given in each of the assignments, BPTs, practice problems, okay, NPPE. So all these you try to answer. So NPPE is similar to your mock OPPE. Okay, you can, it is also like some practice or mock. It will be released by today night or tomorrow. Okay, so you will get the instructions.
Mock problems, does it carry any grading?
No grading.
No marks for that one, no?
No marks, just for practice.
Thank you.
So the first BPT problem is, see, a company has 5 departments, each named department 1 to department 5. Within each department, there are 3 teams labeled team A to team C, and each team work on 10 projects. Okay.
You are revisiting the old problems, huh?
Yeah, the same. These are the problems you have solved
Already we
in
had done that one, no?
BPT, no?
Okay,
When
okay.
can
So
I solve on the BM machine itself?
Yeah, I will solve in the VM machine
No,
itself.
we can also solve it on
Yeah,
VM machine
yes, you can also solve in the
because I
VM
have
machine.
already submitted the solution. Now
Yeah.
can again.
Yes, you can again
Okay.
submit.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
you can resubmit it again,
Yes, you can resubmit it again. No problem.
but you don't get any mark, no? It's already graded.
It already graded, and if you do wrong this time also, it will take the correct solution only, successful solution only. You can attempt it any number of times. So if you successfully submitted previously, so that solution only it will take.
But if we do it this time correctly, last time wrongly,
No updation in the marks.
no update in the mark. Okay.
That's what I am. So see, if students may feel that if we do it now wrong, so your marks will be lost or something like that. So that's why I am saying the already successful submission which was already submitted will be taken. No problem. Okay.
But how do we do that, ma'am? Already we have created a folder and all solutions are there. But again, if you are
Yeah, you
creating
can overwrite it. You can
can overwrite it. Okay.
or you can delete and then create a new one, or you can overwrite it. No problem. Okay.
So evaluation is
Cannot
done,
create a
right?
new folder, no?
Cannot be.
We cannot create a new folder and put up the solutions.
No. If you want, you can create, but you can check with your local local file only. You cannot check with the file which, like these commands, you cannot able to use it. Synchro
Ma'am,
show,
actually, the way it
Synchro.
is there, there is a hard coding of the eval, right? So the
Yeah.
eval happens only if it is in the appropriate folder. You can create anything in your local.
Yeah, you can
Inside,
create any local, but there these commands won't work.
correct. That's what
Synchro
I'm
eval,
telling.
synchro
Yes.
show, all those will not work. Okay,
Okay.
you have to check with your local, in your local machine, you need to put your input also. So with that input, you can able to check it.
So in the real exam, what type of folders will be creating?
Yeah, in the real exam, these are the folders, like the procedure which I am using now. So you have to go create a folder called SC 2001. Under that, which problem? Say, suppose if you are solving a OPPE problem 1. So you have to give it as OPPE underscore problem. So how you have in your slash OPT slash SE 2001. Here you will have the problems. Okay. You
Yes.
LS it. List out it.
Subramaniam, did you solve
Here you will have
the...
the problems. How
Yes.
you have the folder here, with which name your folder is having, with the same name, same folder structure, you have to create in your home folder. In your home folder. Okay.
Ma'am, it will be the same pattern of BPT, right? There is no
Yeah,
change. So
same
same
pattern
thing.
as BPT.
Yeah.
All, not only BPT, assignment will be in the same pattern. Practice questions will be in the same pattern. your NPPE will be in the same pattern, OPPE will also be in the same pattern. Okay, no change. So I am discussing BPT 1 and 2 solutions now. So the same pattern you follow to solve your OPPE and NPPE.
So how do we go to home folder from here?
So when
CD
you log in,
space tilde.
you will be in your home folder. When you log in, you will be in your home folder. If you have a doubt, you can
I am
use
asking after
PW.
reading the problem.
Subramaniam, you do CD.
Wherever you are, you use a PWD command. So it will show you the path where you are. So your home folder will be /home/your roll number. That is your home folder.
Ma'am, when we are reading the problem in Synchro show, then we come out and go to home folder and create the other folders, no?
Yeah, first when you log in, you will be in your home folder. From here, you have to create SE 2001. You have to create MKDIR. Suppose if it is already there, you can use -P option. So if it is there, it won't create a new one. Okay?
Ma'am,
you won't get an error also.
I'll just add something there, Subramaniam. See, when in the exam, you are no need to go to CD OPT/SE 2001.
No need to go there.
Yes, you connect to this VM. You are in your root. What you do, you just check whether AC 2001 folder is there, not there. You use make directory AC 2001. Then you do make directory with the problem name. Let's say problem name is BPT underscore something, that problem name, that folder. And you do synchro show there. You will get everything. What is the question? Then you start solving it. No need to go to any other place rather than your root.
No. For seeing the problem, you got to go to the
no, that I'm telling you now. You create the folder name inside your root. Then you just do synchro show. It will show you the problem. No need to go any other place.
Really? Show me now. No, it's not possible.
There is you test na. You connect to that and then see na.
Okay.
That is the code there in the VM na. Why we are confusing?
Okay.
Yeah. Try now. Try.
All right.
Synchro show, if you use, it will show you the problem.
From root folder? Yeah, I'll just go there.
Name is problem_1, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, it will be really good. Not asking any direct questions, but if you can just guide us the more focus we need to give for the OPP, that let's say SED, SED, or AWK, or which are the areas we have to focus more, need to practice more. I know everything you have to practice, but still.
You will get one SED question, one awake question, one grep question, one basic question. So like that you will get.
And one, you told about 4 only. What about 5th?
So the first 4 like a script problem. Shell script.
Means basic question means up to the week 2.
Up to week 4, week 6.
All 5.
See, actually initial basic question will be there, one question. Generally, it will be on links, soft link, hard link, directory structure. So related things, you will have one question in general. One question will be on grep command. One question will be on your shell script. Okay. So, and one question will be in awake. One question will be in SED. Like that you will get.
Thank you very much. Ma'am, I have one problem.
Yeah.
मेरा जब मैं सिंक्रो शो करता तो वो क्वेश्चन तो आ जाता, लेकिन वो पूरा
क्वेश्चन I don't know Hindi. Please try to speak.
When I do synchro say, my screen
scroll
comes
down,
out.
Scroll down, right hand side.
It is okay, but not able to. I can't see it until I'm not copied it.
No, you need not copy anything. Have you created the folder structure SC
Yes,
2001?
everything is done, and I have
Have you
not this
gone
time.
to inside that?
Yes, I
Yeah.
went there.
After that,
So,
have you created
ma'am,
problem one?
Yes. My
see,
pick.
So you see whether you created with the same name or not.
Yes,
Otherwise,
everything is.
okay. So then you use Synchro show. I got no.
Yeah, no.
Can you share your screen?
yeah, best thing, yes, ma'am. We should see what challenge others are having.
Yeah.
Then we learn more actually.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, where can we find the solutions for these practice problems?
In the mail,
No.
in the no, practice problems, no, you
Yeah,
don't
No
get.
for
solutions.
BPTs and
Fill.
others, we got the solutions. But if we want to refer, there are no solutions for practice problems.
So generally you'll find it in your, like, these practice problems are there from so many years now. I think you have a students uh, channels are there, no? So in that you'll find out. You can find out.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody. Can you share your screen?
Ma'am, I'm trying, madam.
Let him share. Ma'am, just repeating this. So one problem will come from said AWK grep, and one is from the scripting.
Yeah, shell scripting and basic commands.
Mm.
Vikram Singh sir.
Ma'am,
On your screen, Bikram, you have this next to
Share
the
option.
hand symbol, left hand side to that you have present now.
भैया सर लेफ्ट हैंड.
See there is, वो वहाँ पे एक फेस आइकन है ना, फेस का और हाथ का सिंबल है
एप्पल
ना
का है
उसका.
मेरा
हाँ.
एप्पल है. मैक है. केवल
Okay,
मैक
okay.
एप्पल दिख रहा है. या आई एम सीइंग ओनली द एप्पल ऑन द लेफ्ट मोस्ट कॉर्नर.
Okay, you are advanced user, yeah. Then you have to. Anyone is using Apple in this group now? ऊपर दिखेगा एप्पल में, ऊपर दिखेगा, ऊपर देखो कुछ आता है.
नहीं, नथिंग. देयर इज नथिंग.
एप्पल में लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड देखो कहीं पे है. You have to take the mouse and mouse over will bring out that what is there.
Present now. You'll find out present now. Generally, arrow. You'll have a arrow.
Otherwise, you open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, how do I share my screen?
Beside the smiley and emojis, there is a arrow button, no?
There is no
Hello,
arrow
ma'am.
there.
No. He is in Apple system. It not necessarily
Yeah,
he is not getting that.
in the Mac only, there is a emoji.
Ma'am, it will be good if you take the content first and then you can solve the doubt
Yes,
so that
please, ma'am.
others
Go ahead,
don't have to
ma'am.
wait.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am a ES student, so BPT problem is not showing in my VM.
Yeah, BPT problems will not be there for CS students. Like introduction to Linux students, BPT problems will not be there. But you can even learn from here, so that similar type of problems you will get it in OPPE, so that you can able to solve it easily. Okay, so I am under BPT problem 1. So if you use a synchro show, so we will get the definition of the problem. So the first problem, I am giving the solution to the first problem. So it has given 5 departments, department 1 to department 5. and in each department there are 3 teams, team A to team C, and in each team has to work on 10 projects, project 1 to project 10. Okay, so already you are created with department 1 to 5, and in each department team A to team C are also created. So you are only need to create the files, okay, with the names project 1 to project 10. You need to create these 10 files in each of these subfolders. Okay, so to create the folder structure only, they are asked you to create use Synchro init. Okay, so when you use a Synchro init, the initial folder structure, that is from department 1 to department 5, will be created, and in each department team A to team C are created and given to you. Okay, Synchro init. Okay, so if you see with the LS, you will see the departments 1 to 5, and in each department also, let me show you. So in each department also, you will find the team A, B, C folders like that. Okay, so now if you have any doubt at any instance, simply use PWD where you are to find out that. You can simply use present working directory. I am under problem 1, BPT1 problem 1 folder. Okay, so now I need to create files. So to create a file, we use a touch command. To create the file, we use a touch command. So we are asked to create an empty files. Okay, so touch space, under which folders we need to create. Here we can use individually, you can create you can move to each department, and there you can create the number of files, but we have the facility of this bracket expansion, so I am using that facility. So if I say DEPT within the curly bracket 1 dot dot 5, so it will take one by one value from this expansion. So first time it will take DEPT1, so next time it will take DEPT2, DEPT3, up to DEPT5 it will take. Okay, in each of the department, again we have a team A to C, A dot dot C. See, while creating, you have to check each and everything clearly. Here in the DEPT, D is capital, other one are smaller. Under a team, T and A are capital, A, B, C are capital. You have to check even the case sensitiveness also. Okay, team A to C, and we need to create the files. All project files are in the smaller case letters. So project, and here also we need to create 10 files, 1 dot dot 10. So it will create project 1, project 2, etc. up to project 10 it will create. Okay, so this simple command will solve the problem. Under DEPT 1 to 5, in each of these departments, you created 3 teams, team A to C. So in this subfolder, you create these 10 files. So total how many files will be created? See here.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
why don't we create department 1 to 5?
We are not
Like,
creating department 1 to 5. This structure is already created. We are only inside this structure, we are going to create project 1 to 10. That's all. We are not creating this. We are not creating this. Okay.
so
We are
who
creating
created
only.
this structure now? Department
Ma'am,
1 to 5.
can I ask one query?
Yeah, department 1 to 5 structure was created when I use a Synchro init. Already it is created and given to you.
Okay, so it is given in the problem itself, huh?
Yeah, in the problem itself. So when you use a Synchro init, this initial structure is created to you. I have not created MKDIR department 1 to 5. mkdir team A to C. I have not used mkdir there. Okay, it was already given to you. Now, if you see the contents of these folders. So let me see if you see the contents of, say, DEPT1 slash team A. Okay, so I have already created those files previously, so that's why it is showing these files. Otherwise, if you are creating a first time, there won't be any files over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you can create those files using touch command. Touch. So suppose if these departments are not created, so you will get an error. There is no department 1 to 5. Okay. If this folder structure is not created previously, then you will get the error over here when you use a touch command. It will say that there is no department 1 to 5 and there is no team A to C. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Only two periods are allowed. One period.
Say,
only
yeah,
two periods.
Yeah, this is a range starting
This
from
is the
1.
Fixed range.
Starting from 1, ending with 5.
No, that's fine. But I am asking about the periods. How many periods can I put there? Only 2 is okay.
Yeah,
more than 2 or less than 2.
No, 2.
Only 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So if you use this command, so that it will create project 1 to 10 in each of these subfolders. Okay. So once we execute the command, simply use synchro eval. If the required structure according to this problem is there in your folder, so it will evaluate. Okay, so it will evaluate. And then you will get the message, public test cases, evaluation successful, public test cases, submission successful, and even private test cases if they are there. So you will get the evaluation and submission also successful for those. Then only you can ensure that your problem is completed. So once you got this message, so for this particular problem, there are no private test cases found. So you got both public test cases are evaluation is successful as well as submission is successful. So you can ensure that you have done your problem correctly. Okay, and then you can move to the second problem. So here we are asked to write a command. So we have written the command, and already suppose if it is exist already, that's why it has shown exist. If it is not there, it will create the one. Okay. So and it will check whether this particular folder structure in each of the department, whether team ABC are there or not, and each of the teams whether project 1 to 10 are there, files are there. If all are there correctly, then your evaluation will be successful as well as submission will be successful. Okay. So that is the solution. This command is the solution for the first problem. Simply this command. See, first you use synchro in it. After that, you use this command. Bracket expansion. This problem is based on bracket expansion concept. Okay, this concept we use it. I think you will get it in your OPP also. One problem on compulsory on bracket expansion generally in general.
If in this question, like folders are not given, then what would be the solution? Like,
yeah, you have to first create the folders. First, you have to create like this. Say
then I have to write like 2 lines.
mkdir. So 3 lines. First you have to create mkdir 1 to 5, so that it will create top department 1 to 5 folders. Again, after that, you have to write the command. Say here I am using -p option. I will use -p option and then create a one, so that if it is there, it won't create. Okay. So mkdir -p dept 1 to 5. First you have to give this command. Okay. After that, you have to give mkdir minus p DEPT 1 5. Under this you have to create the folder team a .c. So you have to create team folders. First in the first level we have created department folders. In each of the department now we are creating this team folders. Okay.
Right.
So after that you have to create the files, touch command. After that you have to use this command, the command which, otherwise you will get the error that department 1 is not there or team ABC are not there, like that you will get the error. Because that folder structure is already there, I have directly given the command to create the file. Only touch command I have used.
Right.
You have to use a flower bracket, is it?
Yeah, flower bracket.
Array.
Okay. So now let me solve the second problem.
Okay.
So to solve the second problem, we have to go to problem 2. So under SE 2001, you have to go to BPT1 problem 2. BPT1 problem 2. You go to that folder. If it is not there, you create the one. Okay. BPT1 problem 2. Sorry. CD BPT1 problem
_2.
Yes. Okay. So now once you come to this folder, you use Synchro show so that it will display the problem. So here you are asked to create so many things. So here this entire problem is based on mkdir command to create the directories, touch command to create the files, and ln command to create the links. Okay. So first you need to create, so directory structure is given to you. First you need to create the directories. First you need to create a base directory called project. Okay, mkdir project. First you use mkdir. Here itself I'm giving the answer, because if you can't able to see the problem. Okay, so or let me copy this problem into somewhere and then so first you create a base directory called project. Okay, under project create these subdirectories src, docs, bin and project. Sorry, src, docs and bin. Okay, one is src, another one is doc. Under src folder again you create module 1, module 2 folders. Under that again in each module you create include and lib directories. So that is the folder structure. Okay, wait a minute.
Your battery is going to down.
So this folder structure you created. Okay, so I am creating the folder structure. So let me copy this problem to somewhere so that we can refer it every time.
We can create a split terminals, right?
Yeah. So
What
first
is
we
this
need to
terminal?
Tmux you can use. So first we need to create a project directory. First thing we need to create a project directory. So here I am creating mkdir minus P. I am using a minus P option because that structure is already there in my system. So while creating it, it won't get any error. If it is already there, it won't give any error. If it is not there, it will create a one. Okay. So first I am creating a project folder. Okay. So under the project folder, we need to create 3 directories. One is SRC, another one is docs, another one is bin. We need to create 3 different directories under project directory. So we can give mkdir minus p. So under project directory, under project, you can create 3 directories named src, comma, docs, comma, bin. All the 3 folders you create under project directory. Okay, so that we got this main folder structure. Now under the src folder, you need to create module 1 and 2. You have to create module 1 and 2 directories. So for that, you give mkdir minus p, same project slash src slash module 1 dot 2, or you can say module 1 comma module 2. Okay, so it will create a new folder, module 1 and 2. Under module, again under the module, you need to create include and under each module you need to create include and lib directories. So for that you use mkdir minus p project slash src slash module 1 dot 2 slash include and lib, include comma lib, so that it will create include and lib directories. Okay, so this structure is over. We have created up to here. Now under the docs folder, you create 2 directories, API and manual. So already docs is created, already docs folder is created. So under that you use mkdir minus p project slash docs folder. Under the docs, you create API, comma, manual. Okay, so API and manual, so that this structure is over. So up to here it is completed. Now create a directory bin within the project. This is already created. This is already created when the project, under that only we have created src, docs and bin. So this first part is over. Create directories. This first problem is over now. Okay, this first part is over now. Now the second option. So this is the, so under this we are asked to create files. Okay, so under inside src module 1 include folder, src module 1 include folder, you are asked to create an empty file named module1.h. Okay, so to create that we can use the command touch. To create the file we use touch command. So under touch project slash src slash module 1.
Ma'am, just asking one doubt.
Yeah.
So instead of doing this way, we can navigate to the path and simply create it and then come back to
it
this.
and come back. Yeah, that also we can do it. You see here, CD, you can simply use CD project / you can go to that particular folder and then create under SRC module 1. First you go module 1, include directory. So first you move here, okay, and simply use touch module 1 .h. Okay, you can directly move there and then create, no problem. Okay, so either way, from your problem definition folder, if you want to work out, you can work out with the path. If you want to move to a particular subfolder and then give the commands, then well and good. Okay, whatever it may be, it is asked to give it in the form of commands. Okay, so like that you can give. So in under SRC module 1 lib folder, second task is, so first task is over. See, this one is over. Now our task, second task is in the lib folder, you create module 1.so. So first you come to lib folder.
Ma'am, it will become confusing. First,
you have to follow this folder structure, sir. So inside this particular folder, you need to create this file. So where is SRC? It is there under projects. It is there under projects. So a better way is, if you are at your problem directory, it will be easy. So I am under my problem 2 directory. So from here, if you use, it will be easy. Touch. Okay. So first, in the first level, we have project folder. Under the project, you have SRC folder. It is already clearly given here, the path. Path is given here. Okay, under project you have SRC. Under SRC you go to module 1. Under module 1 you have a lib directory. Under lib directory we are now need to create module 1.so file, this file. Okay, module 1.so. So we are creating this last one, module 1.so. The path of it is this, and we are using a touch command to create the file. Okay, so if it give the command, so that it will create, the second task is over. Inside this lib folder, we have created a file called module 1.so. So the third task is under include folder, module 2 include folder. So you use the same path, sir. Here up to here it is the same. Okay, instead of module 1 you give module 2. Under module 2 include directory, you create a file called module2.h. Okay, so create a file, and again in the lib folder, module 2 lib folder, you create module2.so. Okay, module 2, under module 2 lib folder, module 2 lib folder, you need to create a file called module2.so. This is the file you need to create, module2.so. Okay, so the second task is also over. We have created 4 files, module 1.h, module 1.so, module 2.so, module 2. Okay, if you see the tree structure, you can able to see it. See, under the project you have a bin docs and SRC folders. Under the bin, you have a, I've already created the problem. That's why it is showing everything. Okay. Up to now, we have created only option 2. Okay. The third thing is you need to create hard links. To create the hard link, we use ln command. Okay. To create the links, we can say hard link, we use ln. For soft link, we use ln command with
minus
s option. Okay. So let me create this. Create a hard link to module1.h in the bin directory and name it as module1 underscore hardlink.h. So while creating these links, you should be so careful. Hard links, no problem, but soft links, when you are creating a soft link, we need to provide absolute path. Remember that. If you give a present from path from the present directory, you will face a problem, okay, while executing. So always you provide while creating the links, always soft links, you always use a absolute path, not relative path. Okay. So first we will create
Relative path means from the home directory you have to give the entire details, is it?
yes, slash home slash your roll number. From there you need to write the path. Okay. I'll show you. First, let me create a hard link to module 1, where I need to create in the bin directory and name it as module1 underscore hardlink.h. Okay. So you can create ln command to create the hard link. Okay. So where we need to create project slash
bin
src, no? Yeah, where is the bin? Bin is there in the src folder. See here, where is the bin? No. Project, under project, wait. Hard link to module1.h. Where is module1.h? First, to this file we need to create in the bin directory. So where is this file? This file is there in the folder. This is the folder where that module1.h is there. So first we need to specify that path. Okay. src module1 slash include slash module1.h. For this particular file, so this is the source file to which you need to create the link. So now you specify where you need to create the link. Okay. So where we need to create the link, under project bin folder. Under project we have called a bin folder. Under the bin you need to create a file link with the name. This is the name with which you need to create the file. Okay. So you use that module1 underscore hardlink.h. So this is the file name you need to. So press enter. So already I have a file I have already created. So that's why it is showing file exists. Whereas if you don't have that file, it will create the one. Okay. So hard link is created. Now again the same second task. Create a hard link to module2.so. So to this file you need to create a hard link. Where is that file? It is in this folder. Okay. So ln is the command to create the link, where it is project slash src slash module2 slash lib folder. Under the lib folder you have a file called module2.so. This is the file we have to this file, we need to create a hard link in the bin directory module2 hardlink.so. So project slash bin slash, and this is the name with which you need to create the file. Okay, create the hard link. Because I have already created, it will show you file exists, otherwise it will create one. So we have created the hard links. The next one is, your problem is not yet completed, it is having some more part. I'll show you.
Why did you repeat the first one? You already created a hard link, no? Why you repeated that again?
I have not repeated, sir. This hard link.
There are two hard links.
Oh, two hard
This
links.
hard link is different. This is the first hard link, module1 underscore hard link. This is module2 underscore hard link. Okay.
Oh, okay. They give two hard links to be created. Okay.
Yeah. See, your
Well,
problem
what is
is
the
not yet
extension
completed.
difference? One is a module link, hardlink.x, other one is hardlink.so.
Yeah, no difference, no difference. They have given a different extensions, that's all.
Okay.
They have given, that's why we have created with that. No extension difference is there. So the task 3 work up to task 3 we have completed. Okay. So now the task 4 is create the soft link. We need to create the soft links now. Soft links to docs directory, to which we need to create the soft link to the docs directory in the project directory, and name it as documentation. Okay, we need to create a soft link to docs directory in the project. Where I need to store the soft link, I need to store it in the project directory. And what is the name of that soft link? Documentation. Okay, so I'm going to create that now. See, while creating the soft link, you need to remember this ln with -s option, and you need to specify the path, absolute path of the files. Okay, so what is the absolute path of the docs directory? Now you tell me, what is the absolute path of the docs directory? It is under project docs. So where is the project? Where is the project? If you have a doubt, you can use PWD. So this is the complete path up to problem 2. Okay, so ln -s, you specify the path from here. Okay, if you have a doubt that if I type, you may do a mistake, so just simply PWD and then copy the path. Okay, slash project slash docs. To this you need to create a soft link. Okay, so this is the source file to which you need to create a soft link. And where I need to create that soft link? Under project directory. Under project directory. So you copy the path up to project. Okay, under the project. And what is the name of the
documentation?
Documentation. Documentation. Okay, press enter so that it will create a soft link. It will create the soft link. Same way, you are asked to create another soft link to the file module1.so. Where is module1.so? It is under project src module1 lib folder. We have this module1.so file. To this file, we need to create a soft link inside module2 lib directory and name it as module1 symbolic link.so. Okay, so ln, first you copy the absolute path for module2 module1.so. module1.so. Where is module1.so? So let me copy up to projects -s. So module 2 is under project src folder / module 1.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yeah.
While creating soft link, you told that we have to pass the pool path. Now,
Yeah.
this is applicable for both the source and target, or only for the?
Yeah, for both source and target.
Okay.
Thank you. module1.so. So this is my source file. Okay, to this source file and destination file also. So I've copied up to project. So where I need to create a destination file in the module2 lib directory. Okay, so the project we have src folder. Under src we have module 2. Under module 2 we have lib folder. Under this I need to create okay, lib folder. Under the lib folder we need to create with the module1 symbolic link.h. So with that name you need to create module1 underscore sym link.so. Okay, so this is the another symbolic link I need to create. Okay, so already file is there, that's why it has shown a file exists. Okay, so our task 4 is over, option 4 is over. So we have created 2 soft links, and the fourth task is we need to set the permission to project directory to 755. So to set the permissions we use chmod function 755 to project folder. chmod command you use, and set all directories under project src to 700. So chmod seven double zero chmod recursively to apply the to all the subfolders we can use -r option. For all the subfolders of this folder you are asked to set the permission all directories under this, all the directories under this you need to set the permission to 700. So for recursively to apply to all the subdirectories we can use -R option. Okay, project /src. It will apply to all the subdirectories under this path.
Is it capital R or small r?
Capital R. Capital R.
So what you did is you gave to the
but there is no octal number chmod -r. Set the permission of all directories under project src to 700.
So this is a recursive permission.
Operand is not there. Provide the operand.
What we have to do, Vikram? What is that you're saying?
Operand is not there. 7000.
Some problem server. I think it is not connecting to the VM.
Yeah, the voice is also not clear.
Yeah, let me log out and then come back immediately.
Yeah, maybe due to the network problem, it will happen sometime.
Let me log out and then come back.
Yeah, yes, sure. Subramaniam sir.
Yes.
How is the preparation going on?
It's going on. That's all I can add. I have not validated it how good I am.
This mistake I did, yeah. 3 papers I have taken this term, no? AppDev 1, theory, and the system command. And for working people, I think it is never suggested to go for 3 papers.
One is sufficient.
One is sufficient, but 2, at least we have to complete something. So 2 manageable. That's all I can say. But 3 is too much. Yeah, it is like.
Actually, I am also a government servant. I am a lot of work in my office. I am hardly able to read 1 or 2 hours only. So it become very difficult. I have taken only 1.
Then how far you plan to go with 1? What level you want to complete? Diploma?
Yes, sir. That I want to go to. I'm planning to do PhD.
But this course, they have a limit, no? Within time duration you have to complete. If you go 1.
Yeah, with time I have done 9 courses at diploma level.
No. Okay, so the thing is, what I'm telling is
4 terms.
You started from foundation or you are doing diploma?
From foundation.
So how long you completed this mini paper?
7 terms.
7 terms, you completed 9 papers.
Not 9. Foundation and 9 papers, and this one, this paper CD means system command. When I complete, then I have complete. Then 7 terms will be over.
So
how is that one paper you have taken, sir? Because
no, because this time I have lot of reports from my government. That is why I have taken this.
No, that's okay. But foundation, how many terms? 2 or 3 terms you would have taken, no?
Yeah, twice. Only 2 terms I cleared the foundation.
Yeah, foundation over. Apart from that, you have done another 5
terms. 4 terms. I'll complete 9 papers.
9
after
papers
foundation.
4 terms means it's more than 2, no?
Yes.
One.
So that's what I'm telling, no? Yeah, I can take. See, like you are telling, na, you work in government sector. I'm not discriminating or saying anything. People who work in private sector, there is no time limit. Sometimes 14, 16, 18 hours also. Saturday, Sunday also.
Oh yes.
Okay. So and I work in a kind of not. I have around 20 years of experience. So from okay.
No.
So it's very difficult.
So Sailenderji also has taken 2 minimum in each term.
Yes.
Not 1. 1 you can.
Yes. Each time 3 or 2.
Yeah.
Then,
so
this time I taken only 1.
Okay. But last 4 terms 2 you have been taken. Projects?
No, not that. But this time I am going to submit 1 project.
Which one?
BDM.
Okay. Application development side, both the project.
No. I have done application development, but I am not completed a project. Will complete next term.
Okay.
Next term, another 2. You have to do 3 projects and 3 theory. So you will take minimum another 2 to 3 terms.
I am planning to do 3 terms.
Yeah.
Which diploma you have completed?
Nothing.
No, yeah.
Because 4 projects are pending. So where is the question of completing?
No.
Nothing completed.
So what he is telling is, I think he is only pending with the project. The majority of the papers he already completed. Yeah. Total 9 papers he completed, I think. That is what he told.
Yes, 9 papers completed, and systems command will include 10 papers. 10 papers.
So
Okay, means 8 for foundations and 2 for diploma.
No. Foundation they
Not
have
for
covered. No,
foundation.
this is not.
Foundation.
Foundation.
for foundation is not there in his calculation from diploma. He already completed 9.
Then how come still you have not completed any diploma?
Hey, that
No. I have some papers.
Totally, how many papers are there?
12 papers.
12 papers are there now.
Plus 4 projects.
For each diploma, we have a 12 papers.
No, 6 plus
6
2.
plus project.
Two project, right?
Yes.
So 8. It means 8, right?
Sir, what is pending, sir? Apart from system commands, what are the pending theory papers you have?
Application development 2, and this one, machine learning practical.
Yeah,
No,
so
machine
one
learning
each.
practice. Machine learning practice.
So one each in one diploma.
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
He has to take the last hammer now. Last one. Then wall will fall down.
No, I'm planning to complete everything in next 3 terms.
What do you think? Which one is good? Means diploma in programming or diploma in data science?
Actually, I'm a mathematician, so development of data is nothing for me. But the programming is very difficult. I'm old timer, so I'm very difficult to pick up the programming.
That's why you have taken 4 papers in foundation.
Yes, I have done PhD from IIT Banaras Viswavidhalaya, BHUIT.
Oh, then definitely you can go for PhD.
Yeah, I am planning to do PhD and become a professor post-retirement in my private university.
Yes.
Okay. All the best. Take us
Thank you
along,
very much.
okay? Take us along. Me, then Subramaniam, the old fellas like you.
Yes. All oldies will be there.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we use a chmod command. Wait.
Screen is not visible to me.
Not visible.
Now we can see it.
Yes, visible, ma'am.
Okay, minus R option. 700.
Yes, now it is fine.
Project /src/ for all the subfolders of this path, you set 700 as a permission. The next option is, I think the problem is gone. So this is the 5th step in.
Ma'am, can you make a split screen to show both the problems and the scripting together?
Ma'am, this command you tried, whether it will work with a small letter R?
No, sir, it won't work. Chmod, we need to give a
Capital R.
command, capital R. So I think it is again disconnected from VM. I think my network is a problem. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. You're audible.
Is it a problem with the VM or is it a problem with the network connection? I don't know. Okay. So we will set the you try from your system so that I'll give you the commands. So we have done up to here. Okay. So for setting the permissions to all .h files to 644. So for that we use chmod minus R option recursively to apply to all the files. We use minus R 644 okay, project /src / module 1.2 / include, because in the include directory only of both module 1 and module 2 we have a .h files, star.h. Module 1 include directory is having a header .h file, as well as module 2 include directory is also having a .h file.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yeah.
So in the actual exam, whether this kind of big problem will be there, because we are solving this for last 30 minutes.
Yeah, almost. This problem is you may ask any one of the option. See, any one of the options, not all, because for practice they gave this lengthy problem. But almost in the exam they may ask you create only soft link. Not these many number of options. They may give only one or two options.
Okay, lesser options. Okay.
Yeah, so that you can quickly complete. Okay, so the next option is you are asked to set for .so files, for all .so files you are asked to create set the permissions as 755. Same chmod minus R 755 to all the files .so files. All the .so files are there in the folder lib / lib folder. We have a .so files of both module 1 and 2. So we will give it like this so that it will set the permissions. Okay. So once we set all the permissions, so now the solution, entire solution we have done it. So once we done it, you use a Synchro eval command so that it will evaluate and then give you the result. I think the problem is with VM only. So any one of you let try to connect to VM. Whether you are able to.
Yes, I'm working on the VM.
Now you are still, your VM is working still.
Yes, working. It is far.
It is working. It is working, but it is very slow. Like I am facing from last year. From last 2 days, this issue is there.
I think now to set the NPP path and all that they might have done something. That's why it was gone. Okay, so that is the how to solve the second problem. Okay, once we solve, you use Synchro eval so that it will show you the test case.
Ma'am, can you show please the solution of the module 2, question number 2?
Question number 2, we have to combine all this, sir.
Yes, so I want to see the solution.
Like if I do it again now, so it will take another half an hour. Okay, so what I'll do is I will do it at the end, sir. Let me discuss our remaining problems and again come back to the second problem and do it in Notepad. Okay, I'll do it in the Notepad.
Okay.
So the third problem is Is there anyone able to share your screen, those who are getting a VM? Those who are getting a VM access, so can you share your screen so that I'll discuss the solution. The remaining solutions are only 1 or 2 lines. Okay.
Got it?
For the remaining problems, the solutions will be only within 1 or 2 lines only. I'll discuss the solution. Somebody share your screen and show me the problem 3. Those who are able to connect to VM.
Okay. Let me share. Okay, quickly I'll share. Just I already have the 1 minute. Let me get into the presentation. So I say enter screen. Okay. So I select enter screen, share. I'm there in this now. Okay.
Yeah.
So
show the problem. Go to the problem 3.
Yeah. 1 second.
2001.
So here
BPT problem 3.
Yeah, I'm just no that this thing.
SE 2001. You go to SE 2001 first.
Yeah, I'm just 2001.
No.
What is the
You have to go to OPT first.
You do the PWD.
I'm in the home.
Yeah. It is not there, I think. You create a one. SE 2000.
No. I how come it is not there? I had that LST. What is it? Yeah, is there?
CD SE 2000. Enter. Yeah, CD BPT.
Okay. Once again, I think I don't have it. So BPT2, huh?
BPT1 problem 3.
BPT1 problem 3 is
there.
there.
It is there.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. The above one.
So,
BPT1.
So okay.
CD.
BPT1. Yeah, I've done it. I'm inside this now.
Can press tab, sir. Yes. Show.
He is in BPT3, not BPT1.
Yeah, you go to BPT1, sir. BPT1. Problem 3. Yeah, Synchro show.
Show.
Yeah. So here the problem is that
I think I did a one second. What is that? Synchro spelling.
That is not the.
Yes.
No. That is not the problem, sir. This is not the problem. You gone to some other new problem.
No. Yeah.
You go to the old one.
BPT1 problem 3, no?
But this is not the problem. Yes. This is the one. So there are 2 files, file1.txt and file2.txt, which are there in this OPT/OPT assets folder. Okay, these are there in the assets folder. Okay, and you are asked to these files contains some river names of the some rivers. So you are asked to find out same names common to both the files. The names which are common to both the files. Display the differences. First, you are asked to display the differences between them in the unified format. The second one is you are asked to print the names of all common to both the files. Okay. So for showing the differences, we use the diff command.
Okay.
You type it. You have a script file in this case. So go to the VI editor. VI space script.sh. Yeah. Here, diff minus u.
This solution was already there, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can you?
it is there. So diff command, what it will do? Diff command, what it will do? It will able to distinguish both the files, and the differences it will show it in a specific format. Say, say for example, 1 comma 5 comma C 1 comma 5. So if it is shown like that, so from line 1 to line 5, you need to change in both the files. Okay, you can use, it will show you either a change option or append, add option or delete option, like that. So what changes you need to make both the files same. So a diff command, if both the files are same, diff command doesn't show you anything. If they are different, it will show you the options to make them as the same. So what operation you need to do, so that it will show it in the specific format. Less than means this line comes from second file. Greater than means this line comes from the first file. And it will also give what you need to do in the form of append or change or delete, like that. Okay. So if you want to see the differences in unified format, so we use minus u option. Okay. So both the file, just diff minus u, both the options you give, so that it will show you the differences. Whereas a com command, what it will do is, it will compare both the files. And compare command requires the sorted data. Actually, it will take first line from the first file and first line from the second file and then compare. Okay. If we want to find out the common names, we need to sort both the files. That sorted data, we are giving it as an input to this com command. So when you sort, so you will get, if you have similar names, they will be at the same positions. So here com command can be given 3 options: -1, -2, -3. Com command, what it will do is, it will display the output in 3 lines. First, in the first line, first column, actually 3 columns, it will show the output. In the first column, it will show only those names which are there only in file 1. So in the second column, it will show only those files which are there in file 2. In the third column, it will show the words which are there in both file 1 and file 2. Okay. So if you use -1 option, it will suppress the contents of the first file. If you use -2 option, it will suppress only content of file 2. Suppose if you give -1 and 2 options, it will suppress the lines which are unique to file 1 as well as file 2, and it will show only those lines which are common to both. So we are asked to display the lines which are common to both. So that's why we have used -1 to option. So first file and second file were sorted, and that is given as input to this com command with the options suppress only contents of file 1 and file 2, and the unique values which are there in file 1 and file 2 are suppressed. So that means you will get the output as only those words, those names which are there, which are common to both the files. Okay. So run it, sir.
Okay. Yeah. One second. Okay. Hope I'm audible. Okay.
Yes.
So, what was that command? Okay. Synchro spelling itself is a problem again and again. Okay.
Your screen is not showing.
Yeah, my screen is not shared?
Showing. Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Now.
Yeah.
So if you use a Synchro eval, see public test cases evaluation successful, submission successful. So no private test cases.
Okay. Ma'am, can someone else share the screen? I just need to take a break for 5 minutes and then I come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. On screen. Yeah. Thank you.
Whether I can connect.
Yeah, someone else can share your screen. I just unshared it. Stop sharing.
Somebody share your screen, ma. Yeah, I am able to connect to the VM. So let me share my screen. Yeah, I am sharing, ma. Subramaniam Mohan sir. You stop. So is my screen visible?
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
No. Again, it is not connected.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the problem. So the problem given on ns lookup command. So ns lookup command. So what they gave is they are given some of the sites. So if you use ns lookup command, so ns lookup command will not work in your VM, okay, because of some security problems. So you use ns lookup and then your web address, the address given here, okay, so that it will show you the IP address of this site. The IP address of this site is shown to you. So you go to your browser and paste that IP address. If with that IP address, if it is showing the same website, you display yes. Otherwise, you display no. So that is the problem given to you. Okay. So let me exit from VM. Okay. Now from my terminal, I am giving WSL. I am giving ENS lookup www.google.com. Okay. So the IP address of the machine is given as this. Okay. So let me copy this IP address and go to the browser. Paste it. Okay. But this with this IP address, it has shown something else. It is not shown the google.com. Okay. Wait. I think this is the address. Sorry. This is the IP address. So it has opened the google.com. So we will say echo www.google.com space yes option is given. Okay, whereas let us look at the other commands. ENS lookup, ENS lookup. The second one given is yahoo.com, www.yahoo.com. So this is the IP address. So copy that IP address and go to your browser and try to paste it there. but the site is not shown. It has shown some error or something. Okay, so you give echo www.yahoo.com. No. Okay, so like that, here some website addresses are given. Okay, so you use ns lookup command. If it will give you the IP address. If that IP address is the correct one, so you should get the same website when you paste it on the browser. Okay, so they ask you to say yes or no. If it is correcting the correct site, you print yes, otherwise you print no. Okay, that is the problem. BPT1 underscore problem 4. So we are asked to write a script. So the script written was this one. This is the script written. So I found google.com is showing the correct IP, whereas DuckDuckGo is showing the correct, whereas the other three are not showing correctly. So that's why I gave no. So just simply type that in your script and then synchro eval.
Ma'am, where did you write the script command?
VI editor.
VI editor, huh? Okay.
VI script.h.
Oh, so you have written now or you already written?
Yeah, I've already written. You type these commands. Okay.
Okay.
You test it with ns lookup and then write the commands.
Okay.
Okay. So those are the problems under BPT1. Now I'll show you the BPT2. I have already copied the BPT2. So that.
Ma'am, how do we run the script command from here?
Script command, you need not run it, sir. If it is in your private folder, /script.sh. Whereas here we need to use synchro eval.
Synchro eval only. Now what does the script file in we doing unless we run it from here?
So no. When we use a synchro eval is a command written by your creators of your virtual machine. They will make use of your folder and script file. They will run it, and whether the output is matching with their output or not, they will show you
the script file. They will run it.
Yeah.
Well, we required to give the permission for execution, etc. or not required?
Not required. Here it is not required, sir.
And VM it is not required. Okay.
VM it is not. If you are running from your folder,
then it will require, yes.
/script.sh, then in that case you need to give the permission. Okay.
Okay.
You even always you try to check whether it is having 755 or not, if you have any problem. Okay. So
how do we check it?
With ls-l option, you check whether your directory is having a executable permission or not. Your script is having a executable permission or not. So it is having executable permission. So it will run. Suppose if you face a problem, if you feel that your answer is everything is correct, then you check this whether executable option is there to your file or not, to your script or not.
Executable power for the owner group, is it?
Yeah, owner. Or you give, if you have any doubt, you give simply 755 to your script.sh.
How to do that one?
chmod.
Chmod, 755.
.sh. Okay.
Okay.
So BPT2, you come to the BPT2 problem 1. So the problem 1 given is this: write a bash script, script.sh, to extract data from a HTML file. Assume the HTML code is of the following format and convert it into the format as shown in the sample output. So your HTML file is written something like this, okay, with the li command, the country names and the capitals of each country, okay. So with they have given some li command and a span command, okay, with the class as country name. So some pattern they have given. So all the lines are in the same pattern. Now we are asked to print only the country names, only France and its capital is Paris, and then Japan and its capital is Tokyo, and Canada and its capital is Ottawa. So only you are asked to print the country name and their capitals. No, you need to remove everything else. Okay.
This is the fourth problem or fifth one?
First problem in BPT2.
Oh, BPT2 first problem. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So to for this, what we do is we use a grep command. So grep command with -o option. -o option, what it will do is, it will print only the matched part of the matching. Actually, when you use a grep command, what happens? If the line contains matching, it will show the entire line. So, but if you use a -o option with the grep command, what it will do is, it will show only the matched part of that line. It will show. Okay. So what we are doing, what we are saying. Hello. Yeah.
It will match means does it case sensitive or just?
It is case sensitive.
Okay.
It is case sensitive. So if I use a -o option, it will show only those part of the line that it match. Only the matched contents it will show. So what this is the regular expression we have written. So what the regular expression is saying is, only it will show only the alphabets, either it is in the capital letter or a small letter, and the meaning of this, you see, in the square bracket, if you use a cap symbol, that means not. So don't show anything which is there in the less than and greater than symbol, as well as which is in the quotations, and don't show except these comma and colon and a space. So don't show all these. Okay, wherever these are there, you remove that particular part. To say that, we use this regular expression part. So what this first part, it will saying that you use only the capital letters and capital and small alphabets which we have. So it will remove everything which is there in the left than, greater than, and which is there in double quotes, and this comma and this colon and these spaces, everything it will remove. So it will give you, for this particular first part, it will give you only the country names, that is country, France, capital, Paris. In each line, these words are shown. Country, Japan, capital, Tokyo. So it will show it like this. So this output we are redirecting to another grep command with the -v option. With the -v option, what it will do? -v option, what it will do is invert the sense of matching. So whatever that is matched here, other than this, show the remaining. So from the text which we got from this first command, you remove country and capital. So country and capital, if you remove, so what will be left out? So France, Paris, Japan, Tokyo, Canada, Ottawa. So only these words will be shown. So that is what the output we need. That is what the output we need. Okay.
Ma'am, explain once more, please.
Yeah. Here I have used grep command twice. The output of first grep command I am passing as an input to the second grep command. Okay. So what the first grep command will do is grep minus o option I am using. Minus o option, what it will do? It will show only the matched parts of the given line. Only matched part. In general, what the grep command will do? It will display the entire line where our regular expression matches. But here, if you use minus o option, it will give you only the part that was matched. Okay. So for the regular expression, what we gave is it should consist of only alphabets, either capital letters or small letters, and you remove within the square bracket. If we use a cap symbol, the meaning of this is
Yes.
not include.
Yeah, exclude. Yes,
Yeah,
exclude.
you exclude it. You exclude whatever that is there in the less than, greater than symbol, and double quotes, comma, colon, space, everything it will exclude. And this
What
can
is
be
the
repeated any number of times. This can be repeated any number of times. Star means. So
what is the
that,
meaning of this backslash and forward slash?
yeah, backward slash forward slash means, see this backward slash, this forward slash means or either this or this, like that.
Okay.
This backward slash means if some symbol which is having a meaning in the language, to appear that symbol in the, like what we say, to
negation.
to negate that, we use one more backslash. Say suppose if I say something like backslash pipeline symbol, the meaning of this is or. So whereas if I give a simple or, so this means output redirection. It will take it as output redirection. If I use like this in the regular expression, so it won't interpret pipeline symbol. So this is taken as or symbol. So like that, double quote is also having a meaning in the language. So you put a double quote there. Whatever that is there in the double quote, you consider that to say that we use back one more backslash before that symbol which is having meaning in the language. Okay. So this entire expression, the means is match any character that is not greater than symbol or less than symbol, comma, double quote, or a colon, or a space, 0 or more times. Okay. So that is the meaning of it. So after applying this first part of the grep command, what we will get is, we will get this is removed. So we'll get only country. This part we'll get country, colon is removed, space is removed, is something which is there in less than, greater than, double quotes is removed. So we'll get France next. From the first line I am saying country, France, capital, Paris we will get. Okay. From the second line we get country, Japan, capital, Tokyo will get. From the third line, country, Canada, capital, Ottawa will get. So this output, whatever the output which we got from this first grep part, we are passing it to the second grep command. What the second grep command is saying, grep minus v country or capital. So minus v option, what it will do? It will reverse the, like what it is doing, it will match with either country, all the lines which contain country and capital. So all the lines which contains country and capital are there in all the lines. So now minus v option, what it will say, other than this matching, you show the remaining. So that means it will remove from each line, it will remove country, capital. So it will show the remaining. So if I remove country, capital, so I will be left out with France, Paris. Second line, Japan, Tokyo. Third line, we left out with Canada, Ottawa. So that is what the output we need. Okay. So it displays that. Okay, using grep command, we are going to solve this. So we remove the unnecessary part first, and from that again we removed country and capital. Match, except this matching, the remaining contents we are showing. Okay, if you want, I'll show you not from here, with like I'll run the commands separately, individually, and show you. We'll get the clarity.
Ma'am, overall it is week 1 to week 8 is the scope of the OPP, right?
Yes, week 9 also.
Oh, week 9 also.
Awake. Week 1 to 9 only. You won't get from the 10 OPPE. You won't get from week 10. Only up to week 1 to week 9 OPPE.
Content is there for till week 12, right, ma'am?
Yeah, for end exam, the whole up to week 10 is there.
Okay.
Ma'am, but we are done with the BP4 problem, no?
No, only up to week 10.
No, BPT4 only we are done.
Subramaniam, we are talking about two different things. I asked the scope for the OPP one.
OPPE is only from week 1 to week 9.
Week 9.
For the end term, you will have the entire course.
No. My question is, we have done only 4 BPT problems, no?
Yeah. BPT 1 is covering the first 2 weeks. I think 3 weeks it is covering. So BPT 2 is covering, I think week 4 and 5. And the next two like that. I think you might have completed up to awake. Awake is in the 9th week.
Okay. No more BPTs?
No more BPTs.
Okay.
See, whatever I said, I've written in this file also. Okay. So what I am testing. So this is my HTML file, you think. Okay. So I'm applying this separately. B2 problem 2 .sh. Okay. So, sorry. Problem 1. Problem 1.sh. So here, let me split this command, so you will understand. Okay. / I'm using cat test.txt. So this is my input file. I'm redirecting the output of this to b2b1.sh. Okay. See here, in the first output of the first grep command is this. Okay. Country, France, capital, Paris. Country, France, capital, Paris. So from each line it has taken country, Japan, capital, Tokyo. Country, Canada, capital, Ottawa. Okay. So this output again, this whole thing I am passing to the second grep. In the second grep, what I said, you remove, like invert your output. You match with country and capital. So other than that match, you show -v option I used. So other than this match, you show the remaining things. So that means from this output, it will remove country and capital. The remaining output it will show. Okay. So that output of this we are going to wait. So this output I am going to redirect to, like I am giving as input to this script. Okay. So if you run it now, so it will remove from this output, it will remove country and capital, and it will show the remain. So that is what the output is required. Okay. So that is the first problem. Whereas the second problem, so this is the second problem. So the problem is write a shell script, script.sh, that checks if either the global underscore config or local underscore config directories exist or not. And if they do, create an empty file named default config in current working directory. So we have to check whether these directories are there in the folder or not. In our folder, can the current working directory, whether these files are there or not. If these directories are there or not. If these directories are there, then we need to create this file. Okay. So it is so simple. You can use a shell scripting like this. Okay. So with the -d option, if in the square bracket, if -d option means that is a test command. Test command. So whether it is testing whether this folder is exist or not. -d option means directory. If -f means whether the file is exist or not, like that it will check. -d option will check whether this directory is there or not. Or either this or this, either one you are asked. So you combine the commands using R. So -d local config, whether this directory exists or not. So either this or this exists, then you create this file. Then you create a default config file. File means touch command. Say a file. So this is simple. You write this if command in the script.sh. You run your script.sh so that it will create the file default config. If it is not there, if it is already there, it won't. Okay, so that is the answer. This is a so simple answer. -d option will check whether this directory exists or not. Okay, if any one of them is exist, then you create this. Otherwise, don't create. If command will tell you that. Then third problem, you see the third problem. This is also so simple. So there is one file, app.log file is there. App.log file is there. There are some lines in that. So if you write a script to check whether database underscore error, this word, this string is present in that line or not. To search for that, you write a command. If this string is there in that line, you add a timestamp to that line and write it to the error report.log file. To this file, you need to write it. So before writing that, you need to use add a timestamp. So say for example, this is our input file. This is our input file. So in the first file, there is no database error. So in the second line also, there is no database error. Whereas in the third line, so it will match with this database error. So it will match with this database error. So what we need to do, we take a timestamp. Timestamp is taken using a date command. So here you are given date command is used to take the timestamp. So that you append it to this word database error found. So your output should be timestamp, date timestamp, colon, and this database error found message. Okay. So when we need to get this message, if your line, if your string, database error string matches with your script, okay, matches with your input file, app.log contains this word, then you should display this, and this output you need to write it to this error report.log file. Okay. So the answer is This is the answer. So we are using a grep command with minus q option. Minus q option, what it will do? So generally, if it found this particular word in the given line, that entire line will be displayed if you use a grep command. What we are saying with minus q is don't display anything on your standard output. On your monitor, don't display anything. Quietly you work out. Silently you work out. To say that, we use a minus q option, grep command for minus q option. And what we are doing, you match with this string, this app.log file. So the app.log file will contain this data. Okay. So in the app.log file, you search for this, you match for the database error. Okay. So if what it will do is, if it is able to match it successfully, then it will return the status as 0, exit status as 0. So what is the exit status of the previous command? To check that, we use $? If the $? Value is equal to 0, then the means that this match is found. This match is found. So if $? Is equal to 0, then what we need to do? You take a timestamp. So timestamp is nothing but a date command. So the output of date command I am storing in yes. So I am appending echo yes colon database error. What output you want? So this is the timestamp. To get this, we use a date command, output of the date command, and then after colon you display database error found. So after colon we return this in the echo command. So this output I am redirecting to error report, this file, error report.log file. So it will create this file, and then the output will be written to this particular file because our input file contains database error. Okay, got it?
No, ma'am. One more, once more, ma'am.
Yeah.
First, if that
first you understand the problem. What they asked, this is your input file, app.log file. If app.log file contains this string,
database error, yes.
Okay, if it contains this error, then you create a timestamp along with this message. Timestamp along with this message, and that message you write it to this file, error report.
Log. Yes.
Yes. So first, what we are doing, we are checking whether this string contains in this app.log or not. Okay. Here I have used minus q option. Why I have used I don't want to display anything on my standard output device. To make it that error, if error comes or if a matching line comes, don't display that matching line or error on your monitor. To say you work quietly, to say that we use minus q option. Okay. So here we found the match. So if the command executes successfully, if the previous commands execute successfully, it will return the exit status. Exit status will be written as 0. If it fails, it will return 1. So if I to check the exit status, we use $? is the exit status. Okay. So if the $? Value is equal to 0, that means exit status is equal to 0. That means this match is found. Okay. Then what we are doing, we are taking a timestamp. So what this command will do, the output of the date command, it will store it in yes. So echo yes colon the message which we want to display. So the S value is the timestamp, the current timestamp.
Okay, I got it.
That we are redirecting to this error report.log file. Okay. So it will create. So already I've run it. So it has created error report.log file, and you can check the contents of it. See, this is timestamp. I've run at 4 o'clock or something. Okay. So it has written the message with the timestamp. If we run it now also, it will take. Our log file is app.log. Yes, it is there. Cat app.log file. This output we are running. This is the second problem. B2 P. Is it the second or third problem? The third problem, I think. Is it that? Problem 3. So this is the script. Okay. So I've run it. So
Yes.
timings.
It has yes.
Saved. Changed. It has written the current. Maybe the server time is wrong now. Okay. So that is the third problem. Whereas the fourth BPT problem is, so there is a file called people.csv file. CSV file means comma separated. It will contain comma separated values. Okay, CSV file. So in each row of the CSV file, we have a names and ages of the people. Okay. So in each line, we have something like this: name of the person, comma, age of the person, name of the person, age of the person. So like that, each row contain names and ages. So this is a CSV file. CSV file means so get add file message to remove all the rows where the age is not numerical value, that input is coming from the standard input. So this is the input. Okay. For example,
Your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is our input file. So in this input file, we need to remove the lines where age is not a numerical value. So see here, the second line, second row, age is not a numerical value. So we need to remove this. So we need to
No,
remove.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Not good. Voice is still breaking.
Yeah. Hello? Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, audible.
Yeah. So now, see the fourth problem. So the fourth problem is you have a CSV file. So in the CSV file, in each row, you have a name of the people and the ages of the people separated by commas. Comma separated values. CSV means comma separated values you have. So your task is you need to remove all the lines where the age is not a numerical value. So in the second line, if you see in the second line, the age is 25. It is written in words, not numerical value. So you need to remove this particular line. So that means from this file, from this people.csv file, you remove all the lines where age is not a numerical value. So that is your task. Okay. So
right, ma'am.
So for that, what we write solution is using extended grep command. We are writing here. See here, the meaning of this regular expression. First, you see the meaning of this particular regular expression. what it is saying is a line. See, first you see the inner bracket, sir. You see this square bracket saying not comma. Okay, that means it is looking for the lines which are non-comma characters. Non-comma character that means all other characters which are not comma. So it will match with all the characters which are not with comma, which are not comma. So plus means you should have at least one character here. Such a characters you need to have at least one non-comma characters you should have. Okay, and this now you grouped this with cap symbol outside the grouping. So says that you need to search the lines starting with one or more comma separated values. See this comma separated values, one or more comma separated values, where each value is at least one character long. So this says that each character is one character long, essentially looking for the lines that begin with a sequence of non-comma characters followed by comma. So that means sequence of non-comma characters. All these are non-comma characters followed by comma. So you are looking for that. You are looking for all the lines where some non-comma characters are followed by comma. Okay. So to that, at the end, dollar means at the end, we should have a digit. 0 to 9 plus means at least one digit you should have. At the end, you should have a digit. So what it is saying, it is searching for comma separated values, comma separated values, where the value is ending with digit, ending with the digits. So only those lines it will match and display. The remaining lines it will remove. So this line doesn't match with this regular expression. So it will don't display this line. Whereas these lines, there are non-comma separated values. After that comma, this line will match. And this line will not match because it is not ending with the digit. Whereas this line will match because it is ending with the digit. This line will also match because it is also ending with the digit. So the output will be only the first line, the third line, and the fourth line. So it will remove this line. Got it? So this is the first you see the up to here, meaning up to here. So out of this also you first see the inner bracket. What it says, not exclude comma. That means you remove this non-comma values. How many we need to have? Plus this plus symbol says non-comma values you can have more than one or more. So one or more that begin with a sequence of non-comma characters followed by comma. One or more values you should have at least each value is at least one character long. Okay, so those values which are separated by comma, after that, see, now this meaning is came. Now what it is saying, all the lines which will have a something non characters followed by comma, such a values you can have a plus. That means such a these names can be repeated. Say John Doe comma Smith comma, like that you can have any number of comma separated values, and it should end with dollar symbol says you should end with digit. 0 to 9 plus means at least one digit you should have at the end. So such a lines you match, only such a lines you match grep commands. So if this is your input file, this will match because it has a comma separated values and at the ending you have digit. and this doesn't match because it is having comma separated value, but ending is not digit. Whereas third line it will match because it is having a comma separated value and ending is digit. And the fourth line will also match. So first, third and fourth lines will match. So it will display those three lines.
But
Grep
you are
command
telling me that exclude the comma here.
exclude comma. I didn't say exclude comma. It will match other than comma. All non, see this grep command will match. Whereas this part, this starting part, what I am saying, other than comma, non comma characters followed by comma. See, this says non comma characters. This part says non comma characters. That means up to John Doe it will match. So that, see this outer bracket, this bracket, what it is saying, this part followed by comma, this part followed by comma. So
Okay.
this says lines that begin with a sequence of non comma characters, and starting you should have non comma characters followed by comma.
Comma.
This can be
Right.
repeated one or more times. Like for you can have a comma separated values, any number of that, and it should end with digit.
Yes,
This part
yes,
says end with the
this
digit.
is clear.
So comma separated values end with the digit. If your it is matched with your given line, then display that line. Grep command says that display that line.
What is the
So
meaning of minus C?
minus e means extended grep command we are using.
Okay.
To write the regular expression, extended grep command we are. This regular expression is a using extended grep command we are writing. Not basic grep, extended grep. To get this class separations and all, we can that will you can able to get it only in extended grep command. So I am using extended grep command version to say that minus e option. Okay, so it will match except the second line, so that the remaining line will be your outputs. Okay, so we can run this if you want. So cat people dot csv file. So this is the input, this is the input, and this input I am passing to my script. Script is written in b2 dot slash b2 p4 dot sh. Okay, so this line doesn't match, so it has removed and displayed the remaining lines. Okay, so I've written in a separate files in my folder, so that's why I've run it like this. But there you need to write only this script, script.sh file, and use a synchro eval. You need not provide all these inputs. Okay, simply use synchro eval.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
could you please do cat and the script name b2p4 dot
Yeah, the output what I have shown, the same thing will be there. The same grep command what we have written, that is the script.
Yeah, thanks.
This is your script.sh file you need to write. So I'm running from my local folder, that's why I've written BPT2 Problem 4.sh. Whereas in your solving folder, you need to write script.sh. The same code you need to write it in script.sh and use synchro eval. Okay, I'll show you that folder also. So this is my script.sh file. Simply you run it. Okay. Actually, I tried in a different ways. I've commented this. This line is not there. Okay. Only this is the solution. Okay. Synchro eval. So all the public test cases are passed, no private test cases. Okay. So like that, you need to solve your problems, even OPP, whatever it may be. You create that folder structure. So go to that folders, use Synchro show, Synchro eval. Synchro show to see the problem. Once you write the solution, you use Synchro eval. If required, you need to use Synchro init. If you need to use Synchro init, they will give you in the note. Okay.
And can you explain problem number 1 once more, like when grab minus O and get completely?
Yeah. Yeah, what it is saying is, first you see the parts, sir, separate parts. Okay. Minus O option, what it is saying, minus O option, only show the matching part, not the entire line. Generally, when you use a grep command, it will show you the entire line where
Right.
the match is found. So minus option, O option, if we use, it will show you only the matching part, matching part of the given line. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And what we are saying here, you display, you match either capital letters or small letters are there. Okay. Followed by, and in this square bracket, what it says is, not exclude, remove whatever that is there between less than and greater than, or double quotes, followed by comma, followed by colon, followed by space. If this occurs any number of times, that you remove. So that means this li is removed.
Why li will remove? Because if li is removed, then like country should also be removed.
No, country will not be removed because it is not there in the quotes, or it is not there in the less than greater than symbol. Okay. But this colon is removed and this space is also removed. Colon and space also removed. So only it will left out with the country, this part. After that, again, less than greater than symbol, double quotes are there. So this whole thing will be removed. So only the France will be left out. Okay. Again, this is there in the less than greater than symbol. So this will be removed. And comma will be removed. This space will also be removed. And this colon is also removed. Only capital will be left out. Capital will be left out. So like that, in the first line, what will be left out is country, France, capital, Paris. Only these 4 words will be left out. The remaining everything will be removed. Okay. So this output, we are going to send it as an input to this grep command. This grep command, what it is saying, convert your out. It is matching. First, you remove this minus v. So it is matching country and capital. So that means each line will get only country and capital. But minus v option, what it is saying, other than this, you match the remaining line.
Yes, second part I understood. Like first part only I have doubt. I still like what first part is saying, like capital A or small a, like small alphabet or capital alphabet. After that, some symbol that to be missed, right? So if I
remove, you exclude whatever that is there in less than, greater than, or in double quotes.
Okay.
The meaning of this is, you remove whatever that is there in less than, greater than, or double quotes, and remove comma, colon, space also. This R symbol you see, this is R symbol. So that means remove between this or this. So this, the meaning of this is double quotes.
Okay, between, how it is showing between, like because in square brackets, if I put this this note name means exclude this whatever is in this, right? This
Whatever.
meaning whatever is inside after that cap, and that need to be removed, like that.
Yeah, this can be repeated any number of times.
Any number of times.
So from less than till greater than, it will be removed. And if colon comes, that is removed. Space comes, that is removed. Comma comes, that is removed.
Okay.
So like that, double quotes, whatever that is there in the double quotes, double quote comes, that is removed.
Okay, understood.
Okay. Okay, so I'm ending this session. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.